If you join MongoDB, you have to expect a culture of learning and growth. We do drive a strong culture of ownership and accountability. We are going to, on one side, invest on you very aggressively in terms of training and coaching, but on the other side, we are going to push you as much as we can so that you can grow your sales skills. An example of sales team initiatives that support career development is our BDR to CRO program. You have access to documentation and processes which explains what you should be excelling at in every job that you are in the company, whether you sit in New Delhi or in Sydney, in Paris, in London, in New York. You have a chance in this company to take more responsibilities and to grow your career faster than any other company in the world. We are playing in a huge market. IDC estimates that by 2025, this is going to be a $137 billion market. Practically, it means that as a salesperson at MongoDB, you'll never be limited by the size of your territory. Your issue is not going to be where do I go and sell MongoDB. Your issue is going to be where do I go and sell first. What we sell for a living is very important to us. We don't think that a great salespeople or great sales organization can sell anything. Our technology is extremely differentiated, but as importantly, it is high quality technology, which means that as far as you are concerned, you can spend your time delighting your customers. The same team which was in this company when we were a $50 million business is today leading the business. And I firmly believe this is because of our investments in the development of our people. I'm Cedric Pech and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at MongoDB.